Just going to get my camera situated here at a time. We'll get started in a moment. All right, so these are the topics we have ahead of us. I want to spend some time on fractions as exponents here. That's the last of this week's homework. There's not much in the homework on it, but I want to explain the idea so you see how it fits in with the other exponent rules that we had. The extension of a definition, right? We defined exponents to mean one thing, and that doesn't really apply when the exponents are fractions. So we have to see how this works together and how it's a little different. And then I want to get some practice with the equations with rational expressions. That was a big part of this week's work. And then simplifying radicals is actually beginning of next week. So we might get into some introduction on that stuff, depending on what comes along and how many questions we work on here. So as usual, drop in a comment here, or if you have any questions, drop in a comment here. I'll try to keep an eye out on that as we go along and introduce this idea. So what exponents mean is repeated multiplication. If I have x to the third, it means x times x times x. It means, so the 3 exponent just is a how many. The counting number, we got to think about this thing over this definition already. If we have a negative exponent, we did look at those already and what the exponent means in that setting. So if I have x to the minus 2, the 2 is still a how many number, but the minus means it's the reciprocal of x to the second. So this is the same thing as 1 over x squared, or 1 over. Monitor I have watching the screen here, so I don't know what's going on. We're done.